I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing restricted access on your Facebook profile, follow these steps to regain full access. Step 1. Check your account status. Visit the settings section of your Facebook profile to see if there are any notifications regarding restrictions. This will help you understand if your account is under review or if there are any violations. Step 2. Review community standards. Familiarize yourself with Facebook's community standards to identify any potential violations that may have led to the restriction. Understanding these guidelines can help you avoid future issues. Step 3. Submit an appeal. If you believe the restriction was a mistake, navigate to the support inbox and submit an appeal. Provide any necessary information and be clear about your case. Step 4. Verify your identity. Facebook may require you to verify your identity to lift the restriction. Follow the prompts to upload a valid ID or complete any verification steps they provide. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your appeal and verification, be patient. It may take several days for Facebook to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your notifications for updates. Remember, it is important to stay updated with Facebook's policies to prevent future restrictions. Good luck!